Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today is a special day. Today is Flag Day in the United States. And we set aside a special day to honor the red, white, and blue. And everything it stands for. Freedom, sacrifice, memory, and love. And this project, it carries all of that and more. Flag Day, first observed on June 14, 1885. Flag Day marks the days the Stars and Stripes were officially adopted in 1777. But beyond history, the flag has become a symbol etched into the hearts of soldiers and civilians alike. It has been raised in triumph, folded in grief, and stitched into uniforms and wrapped around memories. Today's video is wrapped around a special film, Sundown to 11, a documentary produced by Joel, who I would like to honor at the very start. This film follows a 99-year-old World War II veteran, Dick Miralles, the last surviving member of the Navy Air Group 11, as he seeks closure for fallen comrade, still missing in action since 1944. It's a story of memory, of honor, and of a daughter who still clutches a teddy bear her father gave her when he left for war and never returned. She was only 2. This is what a legacy looks like. This is what a flag waves for. One of the coasters in today's project is a piece I almost threw away. It was a failed pour. But life has a funny way of giving us second chances. This coaster found its match, perfectly harmonizing with a sticker from the Sundown to 11 gift bag. Now it's a tribute to the film and the stories we must never forget. For this pour, I used Bondcrafter 1-to-1 Epoxy Resin, and let me tell you, it's as smooth and clean and very easy to work with. But the real stars of today's palette, the Teexpert pigment pastes. Thank you, Teexpert, for sending me this 6-color set. While I only used a few shades today, the red, the deep blue, and the black, these colors are absolutely gorgeous. They're vibrant, dreamy, and they blend with ease and make my resin come alive. I also added a second sticker and a card from the documentary gift bag, sealing this memory into resin, forever preserved, just like the stories this film tells. Tomorrow we will be celebrating Father's Day in the United States and in some other countries around the world. And this project holds quite an echo for that day too. Because Sundown to 11 isn't just a war story, it's a father's story. That teddy bear passed down from a man in a uniform to a daughter who would never see him again. That bear held more than cotton. It held every goodbye he never got to say. It held his hope. So many fathers didn't come home, and yet their love, like that bear, was never lost. These coasters are more than decor. They are time capsules. Each one holds a piece of gratitude, a piece of history, a piece of remembrance. and they are made for all of those who helped create Sundown to 11. But they're also made for every father who served, for every child who was left behind, and for all of us who hold these memories in our hands, like resin, crystal clear, and sealed in place. So today, on this Flag Day, I raise my voice in celebration to the stars and stripes and to the stories stitched into every fold. To the fathers who gave all, and to the children who carried on. To all the filmmakers who honor their stories. To the pigment that brings this project to life, and to all of you who continue to care deeply and beautifully. And to those of you who are watching, and those of you who are remembering, this isn't just resin. It's resilience. It's a remembrance. This is art at its finest. And this is storytelling for you to hold on to. Something for us to keep in our memory. So here we are. So we already saw this one. That was done. And which one should we do first? Let's do this one. I love how that back came. That sapphire is really beautiful from this little piggy. And here we go. Okay. Wow. Oh, wow. And yes, there's lots of dimension in there. And I made this for a little off center. Just a little bit. But look at the dimension. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, so I made this for Joel. He's the producer. And I hope he likes it. And this one, all three are for him. Get this one out. Oh, yeah. Oh, this one came gorgeous. Look at that. Yeah, so I think I'm going to put a little bit where my mark is. I have them out here. I'm going to put some gold around this one, I think. I think a little gold will go a long way.
Take me out to California. Take me out to California. I feel the day is coming to an end, and my eyes are drawn to southern skies. And all the
Just
while,
putting it.
I was trying to pretend the promised land was there beyond the great divide. But I'll be coming home soon.
Oh, I like it like
Yeah,
this.
I'll be coming home soon.
So I don't want to bore you with watching all of this. I'll finish this off camera and then I'll come back and I'll show you the final results at the end with a flyover. So if you've made it this far in the video and you like what you've seen here today, please take a moment, and subscribe and hit the all button so you can come back and find my videos again. To all the fathers who have served, to all the veterans who gave everything, and to all the children who never stopped remembering. Happy Flag Day and Happy Father's Day. This video was inspired by the documentary Sundown 211, produced by Joel, directed by Georgia Tallis. Thank you for telling the stories. These stories do matter. This is in honor of all veterans and all fathers and all families who do remember. Special tribute to the daughter who still holds the teddy bear her father gave her before he left to war. I had the pleasure of meeting her at the premiere a few weeks ago. Deep thanks to Teexpert and Bondcrafter for sending me the pigment paste that I used in this video. And thank you to Joel for the goodie bag that I received these beautiful stickers in to make these amazing coasters. If you're remembering someone today, may this bring peace, pride, and reflection. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. I Shoot Crafted Kids Club, the Paper Queen, is next.